In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comprehensive database in the table view, perfectly suited for managing your personal or business finances. We'll break down each step into a seamless process, turning what might seem daunting into a walk in the park. By the end of this guide, you'll have a dynamic database at your fingertips that can track cash flow, categorize expenses, and give you a clear outlook on your monthly savings. Now, let's delve into the first step. You'll want to begin by setting up a new database in the table view. Think of this as setting the foundation for your financial masterpiece. Navigate to your preferred database software and locate the New Table option. Click on it, and voila, your database is birthed, ready to be customized to fit your financial tracking needs. At this stage, it's essential to consider what information you want this database to capture. These could be types of income, fixed and variable expenses, or any financial element that regularly comes into play in your life. Next, we move on to adding relevant column properties. These columns are like the arms and legs of your database, providing structure and flexibility. You might start with basic properties such as date, description, amount, and category for each transaction. This setup allows you to record transactions in detail, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Make sure the properties align with what you need to track, and feel free to adjust them as your understanding and requirements evolve. Once you have your columns set up, it's time to set up specific database views for each cash flow type. Imagine these views as different lenses through which you observe your financial landscape. Set up distinct views for different types of cash flows, such as income, expenses, and savings. This enables you to switch between views for a focused analysis of particular cash flow elements, simplifying complex financial data into digestible insights. With your views in place, it's now crucial to calculate total monthly expenses and savings. This step is all about harnessing the power of your database to proactively understand your financial standing. Implement formulas or scripts that can sum up your total expenses and track savings month by month. This holistic perspective helps you identify trends and make informed financial decisions, working smarter, not harder. After determining totals, create a new view for each month. Monthly views give you a snapshot that helps in identifying patterns, pinpointing months of heavy or light spending, and preparing for the future. By having separate monthly views, you keep the data manageable and prevent overload, fostering a clear perspective on your financial journey month by month. Finally, create views based on categories. Categorization is key to unlocking detailed insights. Whether it's groceries, entertainment, health, or investment, this step empowers you to look at specific areas of your spending habits. Over time, you can identify areas that need budgeting or sectors where you can afford to spend more, essentially fine-tuning your financial compass. And there you have it, a fully functional, detailed, and insightful database in the table view, tailored for managing your finances effectively. This tool can not only help you get organized but also ensure you stay on top of your finances with ease. Dive in, experiment with different setups, and see how this structured approach transforms your financial management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more handy tutorials.